Yeah. So, how was the product launch? So 3 days from now you have to sell also, right? So to make your selling more comfortable, we have introduced some of the best products with the best innovation, maybe it ActaGrace with the first time in India, maybe CryptoCam which is also first time in India, LNDIP which comes with a lot of marketing support. We have got CryptoCam, we have got Caspage. Caspage, I will tell you guys, it will be a wonderful product because this will be the first Casper Fungin which will be one of the most affordable Casper Fungin in the market. So let's give a big hand for all these 7 products we are launching. And I really like to thank Izaz, Bharti, Shiva and Aditya for all the hard work they have been doing for the last 1 month. A big round of applause for the PMT team. And team, it was a pleasure interacting with you for the last couple of hours. It was even made better with our introduction of other new products. Dheeraj sir gave the overview of the group as a whole, so I hope that you are more confident of the organization and you enjoyed today. I would request Priyanka to go for the closing remarks. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you so much, ladies, joining on the stage. With this here, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you all had a great time. You all have witnessed our new products and you would be excited to know more about it. Of course, the product managers are all around you. Any doubts, you can always ask them. And are you all excited to go into the market, get inside with the new products which has been introduced right in front of you? Yes? Yes? No? Okay, that's nice to know. I think the more you will know about it, the more once you start taking it in the market, then I think I will hear a bigger yes for it. Alright, so with this, ladies and gentlemen, the entire annual meet 2017, here we had to put in just one thing, that a successful company runs with successful people in the company, and I think you have been doing a wonderful job all this while. But as our theme is that together towards tomorrow, it's going to be an exciting journey for all of you. Next 2 days, you all are spending over here in Hyderabad, here, as I say, in Pioneer Resort. You're going to have a good time meeting each other, as all 350 plus employees are here. So it's the entire family is here. So with this, I think we would like to sweetly close this session for you over here, and we'll request you all to join in for further conversations with our product managers and meet and greet everybody. I think it's been a hectic day for some of them have been traveling today. Yes, how many of them came today? Okay, couple of them, okay. Most of them have traveled today, so you can relax for the evening. And I hope you all liked and you all have taken the insights from today, our annual business conference. And with this, we will all see you tomorrow once again at the awards night. I will be here once again to join with all of you. Till then, have a very, very amazing, pleasant evening. And thank you once again for joining in here. This is MC Priyanka Nata signing out. And thank you once again.
पिछा जाओ